This way. Let me see this here. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go and see the remaining price because the sales is about to end. So I'm going to shop for all my invitees in my launching. So if you are not in that launching here, you will not have your gift. So follow me and tell me what you want. For those of you that live in Italy, in Genova, tell me what you want as I go to different shop to see their price. So tell me what you want, why I will get it for you. So that day you will be receiving your gift, okay? So let's go and shop for people, okay? Happy Sunday, my beautiful people. Who do we have in the building? So if you are not in my launching on Saturday, on Sunday, you will not have your gift too. You better come. You are invited in Jesus' name. So the sales is about to end, eh? But things are still very, very expensive. I don't understand. So let's go and take a look at all the price now. Let's see how much Piazza Italia, where they think they always a shift, but after Piazza Italia they go another place. Then Scarpe. More go for Piazza Italia first. So this way. Piazza Italia, I think we are in the last week of sales. So Piazza Italia things is very cheap. Now 70%. No, now 70%. Let me go like this one. This one is 50 cents for the children.
Even this one for the children.
No, this one is still not on sale. This okay. Let me go and see for adults. So, if you have not getting anything for this sales, you still have opportunity. The things is cheaper and cheaper now. This one is €10, from €15 to €10. All the sandals here is €10.
This purse is very beautiful.
This purse is also €10. They are good anyway. They might not be that marked the way you want it, but believe me, it's good. Even though you go to shop and got a very expensive something, if you don't know how to use your thing, before you know, under 3 months, the thing will just make wow. We start spoiling. This is €10, so this one is still very cheap. So the shoes, €10. Come, let me go to this place. Before then I'll go back. I will go to Clayton. Clayton t-shirt for me is very, very expensive. Sorry, it's very, very cheap. They are very, very cheap. Maybe you are in Nigeria. These are the time. Maybe you have kids in Nigeria. This is the time you need to get things for your children in Nigeria. Because if you are waiting for you to have money to get your children things back home in Nigeria, the time you will not have the money, all the clothes will be so expensive that you cannot even get. Before you get one or 2 pieces clothes, you have already spent €100. And before you know it, 5 pieces of clothes, you have spent €500. So I believe this is the time. This is the time to get your children some few things. When they start putting on the clothes, oh my God, you won't even believe your eyes that you got it in a very cheap rate. Most especially those that have kids in Nigeria. So it's time. Where are the high heel girls? The people that will wear slippers getting to inside church, they will put on high shoes. So this one is cheap for you people, 8 euro. Can come and get it. This one is 14 euro. So this one is from 20 euro to 14 euro. So it's still very cheap and it's affordable. I think this is the last week of this sales. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. I think this is the last week. This is for kids.
You know what? I'm going to pop it, Mama.
Give it to her.
I'm not going to your friends.
This is for kids. Oh, they are beautiful. It's not. This one is 7 euros still. In Nigeria, get this one to Nigeria. Hey, go and sell it. It's very expensive. So let's take eye for the children. For the shoes, when it's 8 euro, this one is 5 euro. So I said, let me come and open up on price. I just finished on my YouTube channel. I said, okay, let me also vlog Facebook. Saturn, you like this one? Saturn, man.
You're not seeing Chloe. You will search for a thing. Holy.
For summer.
Holy.
You know, it's 5 euros. It's not even expensive. This one is 5 euro. From 12 euro, from 12 euro 95 cents is 5 euro. So it's very cheap. Most especially if you have kids in Nigeria, just get them right at this moment. Because after sales, it's going to be 13 euro after sales. So for parents, this is the right time to get things for your children. Like this one, this one is 5 euro now. This one is 5 euro.
You like this? Look.
From, you see, from 17 euro. I call it 17 euro because it just 16 euro 95 cents. So what's the 5 cents I used to? If it is 16 euro 90 cents, I'll call it 17 euro. So for me, 17 euro. But now it's not 5 euro. You see how cheap? Cheap and affordable. These are for men. For men, look, you don't have to go to Giorgio Armani or Diesel to impress your girlfriend. You know, your body matters a lot. If you have a good body, even though it is 5 euro clothes, you just put it on. The beauty in you will be at. Don't go to expensive shop to impress your girlfriend or your wife or your fiancé. Look at those dresses now. All those dresses are just 10 euros. You see it? This long sleeve is 10 euro. You see? It's 10 euro. Don't allow your girlfriend to be saying, go and buy Maca, go and buy Maca, go and buy. Maca is good if you can afford it. But believe me, even though you have if you have good body, your good status, I don't know what to call it, you have a good physical body. Whatever you put in, believe me, the clothes will just make wow. Look at this shoe now. If you put on this shoe, who is going to know that you bought it 10 euro? It's just 10 euro. Who is going to know? From 25 euro to 10 euros. If you bought the shoe now, put it on as a man, who is going to tell you that, my sister, my brother, shoe where you wear too cheap? You are the one that will tell them that and say, my shoe is 10 euros. They will believe you. But if you tell them that, they will be looking as if you have expensive shoes. So the body matters a lot. Don't go and buy Giorgio Armani Guess or Louis Vuitton. You want to impress your girlfriend or your fiancé. Look at these sandals. Look at these sandals. 7 euro. From 17 euro to 7 euro. You see all these actresses. Is this time they normally come and shop? Is this time they normally come and shop in Europe? When they now bought it, based on who they be, you will be thinking that they bought it so expensive. You will be tripping, you will be running a tasketa. You want to be like them. My brother, my sister, is a lie. If you don't tell them how much you bought it, they will not know. You will not know. If they don't tell you how much they bought it, they will not know. But based on the bill, they want to snap picture with it. They will edit it. Look at, okay, let's see if my Zora here put on these sandals. Now you will be thinking that the sandals is how much? It's 10 euro. It's 10 euro, you see? Slippers. If he put on this shoe now, you'll be thinking that he bought this shoe is so expensive because it's a star. But if he didn't tell you that I bought it with so amount, you will not know. And you now you will be killing yourself. Oh, look at the slippers here. After editing it, all the body will be yellow, the background will be gold, everywhere will be beautiful. You will be thinking that that is not expensive things. And most especially those things that they are going out from the Turkey. All these fake things, Louis Vuitton, Giorgio Armani, all of them are for Turkey. Some of this is Piazza Italia. They are good. They are more better than those things. It's just the name. The name now. The name will be turning their head up. Let me show you some suits here. Let me show you some suits. How much this suit costs? If maybe, let me see. Show you. This suit is 60 euro. Now is now 30 euro. You see it? If one of the actors come out and put on this suit now, you will be thinking that he bought it $100,000. Look at this suit. Look at these blazers. These blazers is 30 euro. From 60 euro to 30 euro. If some actor just came out now, put on this suit now. For your mind now, you say, man, see suits. See suit. He didn't tell you how much he purchased the suit. You will not know. You now you will be killing yourself. Hey, oh God, oh, we are one Saturday wear this suit. Oh. Look at this one. This one is 35 euro. From 75 to 35 euro. So it's good to look good, eh? Looking good does not require you must spend a lot of money, billions of money before you look good. There are people that are wearing cheaper clothes. They look good on it. You will not know. You will not know. Look at this one and look at this shoe. This is mesh shoe. You see this mesh shoe? This is 10 euro. This is 10 euro. There are some imitations they are doing. All this Giorgio Armani, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Guess. They are imitations. The name, immediately you just buy them. Wear it 2 weeks, everything will just collapse. Because it's imitation, it's not original. And the imitation, it won't get great. Now you just see the name. You want people to be trippy and say, wow, see the name. But what about how they made it? What about the product they use for it? Look at this one now. You see this one? How much is this now? Let me look how much is this one. Hey, Jesus. Should I tell you people how much is this shoe? This shoe is 5 euro. This is 5 euro. My people, do you people believe me? This is 5 euro. 5 euro. I'm not lying. Look. This is 5 euro. 5 euro. If you put on this and go to Nigeria, you Akate Americana put on this and go to Nigeria and come out with one of those good rides, beautiful rides. Nobody will believe that you bought this shoe 5 euro. This shoe is 5 euro. It's 5 euro. This man shoe, you see it is 5 euro. Look at this one. This one is 12 euro. This one is 12 euro. Who will believe that you bought it 12 euro? Urban Vintage. This is Urban Vintage. Emily, tell me your address. My shop can't give you. This is 8 euro. Who will believe? So it's good to look good, like I said, but don't allow anybody to imitate you with clothes, with wares, and say if you did not get it is a lie. You don't know how much they bought it. It might be 3 euro. You now, because they are actors, because they are on Instagram or they are celebrity. For your mind now, you think they are putting on the real marker. How many of us, how many these actors and actresses can really put on Louis Vuitton? Do you know how much Louis Vuitton, the original, and Lucia, Guess, and the rest? Do you know how much it costs? The original is very costly. So after they have bought the one from Turkey and the rest, they want to imitate people. My people. This one is for children. 5 euro. 5 euro. See, 5 euro is for children. 5 euro. If you dress your daughter or your son with it, my beautiful people, nobody will know how much you bought it. But dress them according to their body. Not that the baby will be wearing a size 30, will go and put they grow meet am 34 for leg come be crack. He go dey waka, the leg will come big. No, dressing according to his size. Believe me, it's going to be make one. Look at this one. How much is this? This one is €5. Look, €5. From €10 to €5. You see, during this sales, Italian people, they are really trying for people. They reduce this so that you can afford it. Because that is the only time they can reduce something. When they really reduce, they will really reduce it. So that's why whenever they are doing sales, that is the time we mothers should shop for our children. That is the time we should shop for our children. We should not allow the money to say, hey, the money is too big. Look at this sandals now, it's €5. You see? Look at this check, whether it's check, how they call them. It's €5 also. It's €5. Let me see this one.
Mama, come on, this thing is cute. That's so cute.
This one is, you see, this is €3.95. So don't allow anybody lay this way. Let me see some men. Let me sew some men. This way. Don't allow anyone to say, hey, they will bought clothes. After sales, they will buy their clothes €5, €3. They will start bragging and say that they bought it €100. It's a lie. Look at those t-shirts. €7. €7. From €10 to €7. So don't allow anyone to intimidate you and say, yeah, see this t-shirt, it's €7. So this is the time we mothers to shop for our children. See these shoes now. I know the shoe might not be everybody's taste, but this one is €15 from €30. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you with dressing. Then before you know it, you start doing rubbish things just to acquire a t-shirt and skirts, t-shirt and top. Oh yeah, this way. Yes, Lord. This way. So we are in Piazza Italia. Piazza Italia is really embarrassing people with price. It's really this way. Their price this year they really try. Zara try, but when I go Zara, I no vlog because me and they like Zara too. I no vlog, but they still try this year, sha. Zara still try this year. This way. Where is Chloe and Eka? Let me see the shoes. Let me see the shoes. 15 those that used to wear slippers to church before they will enter inside church, they will put on high heel. Come and see your shoe. Your shoe is calling you. Come and see your shoe. Come and see your shoe. Those that you normally put on slippers, on the demo, they will change their shoe. Come and see your size. Your size is here. Let me see this one. Let me see this one. Okay, this one is they not do sales for this one. Ni me like what my way says very wajia wari stijino. €30. This one is €30. Wa de. O kan gbe my way says you wa we say. Oh yeah, this way. Oh me gbe na. €15 me gbe na. Let me see. Okay, this bag is new collection. Anyway, new collection. I'm married and with 17 € for new collection. This way. Oh yeah, where's gossip? For someone who tells us carpet stuff, I don't find it. From tomorrow now, I will be busy. So I say, let me come and vlog today. I don't feel SS carpet. You have to go this way. My battery is about to die. Thank you. Bye, everybody. I love to leave you everyone now. Bye.